really good at what you do, whether you're a corporate professional or an entrepreneur. But when it comes to getting ready for a photo shoot, a branding photo shoot, it can feel heavy. It can feel stressful. It can feel overwhelming going to your closet and wondering, what are you going to wear? Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, smart women just like you, helping you to create that wardrobe that you feel confident, that you feel at ease, and that is in harmony with your personal brand. So I want to share today 3 tips on getting ready for your upcoming brand photo shoot. So the first tip I want you to think about is, what is the story you want to tell through your clothing? What is that feeling that you want your audience to have through your pictures? So I want you to think about 1 to 3 words about what you want to express through your clothing choices that are going to tell the story of your brand, giving you harmony. So for example, do you want others to see your passion? Do you want others to see your creativity? Is it trustworthiness? Is it expertise? And making sure that the clothing pieces are aligned with those words and that there is complete harmony. The second tip I want to leave with you is, I want you to think about your color choices. Now, I recommend anywhere from 2 to 4 colors. And we're also looking at your branding colors and what are you going to wear in your clothes. And again, we want there to be a harmony. We want there to be congruency, because there is a statistic that says 80% of people, when they see a recognizable color, they remember you. So we want to make sure that the colors that you have in your photo shoot are aligned with your branding colors also. And the third is, yes, we want your pictures to be beautiful. We want you to stand out. But more than anything, I want you to feel ultra confident in whatever clothing pieces you choose. Because when you are in front of that camera for an hour or 2 hours, you do not want to be fussing with your clothes. You want to feel good. You want to be able to move in front of the camera and have that authenticity shine through. So let's go back over the 3 tips. We first talked about your 1 to 3 words. What will those be? How will they tell the story of what you are choosing to wear? Number 2 is choosing 2 to 4 colors that align with your personal brand. And then third, and I'm going to say probably the most important, is I want you to feel ultra confident in front of that camera. Because you know, there is a non-verbal energy that comes through when you feel ultra confident or you are dimming your light. And I want you to feel amazing through this photo shoot. So if you would like to learn more about, Annette, I need some help. I need help in choosing what is it I'm going to wear. How can I put this photo shoot together with ease and take that stress away about what I'm going to wear? I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com and to connect with me on my Connect tab. Send me a note and we will have a one-on-one conversation and we'll talk about your next upcoming branding photo shoot.